sound sofo no be yanka he must be arrested. Gabi tuna won say meka na yo nwanwa efia obi anwanwa abusia me yesumi video no live on 104.5 enye part of content me yana no pa no me me politics na masori mako but me you na ho ma brabo me see me be wiase me re ho ma brabo mu da obi say brother be I'm always happy person that be am energy but in fact no pay me share news ni wie wadom na me shames no Ghana sempani form na yan sifom na si anhye unse wo wira ho Gabi abusia konsia 104.5 osofo ye kana sem ose ye fa no End Time Church of Blink Ghana na End Time Church of Blink Ghana na sem na ye kan say oyo oba na so ba na sori a na wa mo be wa fro wonim wa kwanche de ma woni nyina say o ma wo pant anya say be your life e wo public nanim o pant ni wi a na wa yiwo bas wa yiwo I mean what the bread ni ayu
papa
o yiwo wi a na o the tissue aso wo offense wonwi no o so wonwi ni wi a na de take ogura wase ogura wase wi a na ka che we no akwanche yakopon de ma o so wi po be dware waka in fact a kire sa topic we menya no ma triti ni ye papa person ko foko hwe de ekoso wo ye my Ghana na ye nuanom ma ye hu sa ware nti no mo brew se eye bibi nti no mo brew wi asinti a ede ne be mo so fa fro ba se brem manim na grow pant live na ye nyi wo ba so ni ni wi a oh Jesus of Nazareth eti ye Gabi mpacho kakrabe na me kona me kudi me nko
papa you see enema bi say na ya na ye nuanom ma ne bi wo ho a ya misumo mo because one say sadia oba akro ade bi say to a papa say nya dam na abebo a wa hwe a ebia na wa de a wo wunya bi you see we ye me pese me conclude but papa we dey say okoto kwan ya so na I say deal because what di ni koye den enwi no what dey kwa koye den you see what dey kwa koye den eto da bi so ya nkasa so say ya me ani da ho yetima mu fo na say ya me ani da ho because how possible so be kwa so dem na yes ro ho na so for atwem se blade o se deal e dey wire u bi so oh papa eto da bi ya nkasa say etu e ho fo say asofo ne nya wan kasa nso a ye de wagina ho na ye yu bibi so yi papa inti wan kasa de bibi mo hu kakra wonwini hu sa de akoi enya akwantere papa akwantere ben pa na ti sei akwantere ben ana ti sei akwantere ben na ti sei
abusuafo mpacha sem na ye ka no
ebia obi fi se ya ha ye wo de ko Facebook na kokko he ko Facebook sisi na kokko he insha 104.5 FM na say ye wo ana sofo atwin blade e de ato wo ba so na ya ma na be ma be nyina ho ma anya sa de
yes
eno ni mi problem no
be
ma nyina ho ma anya
me ma ben ena na ewo mu a obegina ho sese be onjina public na be wro ho I mean, this is so sad. I mean, just me you know who my brabum, but unim because of a minute time into the actually menyamre na ye babo sofo na no kasa no voice am wati na wati o sofo no voice na wati ansem onsem amofie nyina obi awira ho abusuanye ye mfia nyina awira ho because se wati ansem no sofo no kan ro kire menyam na ma voice no na se be voice no wati ansem no sofo no ka na wati nuanom ma ya sebe ade ne pa owiase enu nti be ko sofo bi ho na wabawura pant ewo public congregation nyina nanim na wode se blade no kura wo se ye disposable blade minim de kura de na ode oyi nyese bi wo motomo sabe wayase na oyi enwi owie no de ti se wura wase se ya kwankyera nya media man so fama wo de na but this guy must be arrested. In fact, I'm calling on the national security and I'm calling on Minimse Baomis is Minimse Minimdi but to be a fellow lawyer na omu church mu de kire because publicly no why expose a man na what the uti ya show baby ase abusu de kona ko show video ne kan wasa kire ye babo voice am watie na ye mu na fi me di nkomo ye be mu tie nsem no sofo ne kan ye na so wo yoba na so woteme kana no pay ye nuanom mama mo ne papa no mo ne mutie ye yere mo ne ye sisters ne ade na so osofo bi be kwa sorry ama odi osofo ayin mi hu bi damabrabom oyembo ka kire so yo sanso be kwa dwaro because nyakopa kwancho de amano no na wiase ye kone sen ne aba ne se wo Ghana but this guy must be arrested or sacro ye channel. By the close of the day, if you work do BNI for sending penny for the guy must be arrested because a entry of privacy. Na ye Uganda haye beshe Ghana and once and beba Ghanaian Ghana trasa. Abusha Quenchla 104.5. Actually, Bamwati your voice na branch papa ne kayeno. But an apod mamma politics kakramivia mbeba maba beshe sasemeno. Na yine de hun komuni nya to adwenhwe. See my Ghana ye timi ye bema ye hu kwan masofofo asofo atumi awisu ye sei. Now your baby chef no ko gina obi anim ne ya raw pant no ko woro kwete saying ne wasan yiwo wie wasan de tia hye wase ne ete hu Ghana ha na hifa ne yakwa ne bae abusiara nchira 104.5 o number 1 account radio station be de ne papa nyameke ene tira me se me ba me wiasena na me wura hu yie pa in fact me ne bo video so ne si o teme bisa mo se dache me mama no de no mbeye me nua no ma de no mbeye say na yekọ na nase dache ebisu betwa abusia nso kwahwe bi na nyina fi bi ntu ye ho fo na no pay it's 104.5 who number 1 account radio station crime sera no pay wasugu so ye de bro me ne papa nyameke papa the general me fira fi me di enkomo na enhwe nsem ekoso ye crime a na just about 10 minutes after 7 mama ko me ni oppose ho na na his excellency the vice president of the Republic of Uganda Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebe piemu e wa Ashanti region oba pro kakra ku piemu manhia ofi manhia ku piemu ofamna ekọ ne adubia se ba mayenko na ye ne pozo ono no ye azike no menyo ye ne komo na emisa ne se eno ono na di akire na sen ene kosie se enya nti mpo se ye se bojisango ye nana akumuhene asino hene a yechese ne die de ye osiade yo Bawumia sapon the first a chese ya bono ye nkoso hene e obojusangu nyina ahu aspa kwense bebre pozo mo achimo akoba de bench na fomu kumase
ye ne papa
na pa chempo mu tisen
nyankopon adom
bia guna kwanso kama
oh nyame adom etiapo.
Okay, but answer na no enra himfo na wuhia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo hye ma probonazi
papa yesha probonazi free eye adanse fomra nananom atrankonya ahemfie papa nanka aprobono ebeni nemu wo adanse mensini mako eye miensa adanse north adanse asokwa ene adanse south dame adom ema saa miensa ni nyina etimba so memu nanka dwumadie kese anka ewo abano fananka osempanifo eye mienu dormitories bia ewo Asarebedi Senior High School ewo Akokere ene TIA Hamedia School ano so amas nanka mpanifo hese kana mampania be de chire eye Dr. Bawumia asisi ade wanya ohidin ewa danse ha ekire se ankonko akopasa adwumadie mienu ho ntuma nanso bibi nti saa adwumadie mienu no entimi amaso esa se oba be piemu e wa Asante mantam ko piemu e wo manhia hifie ene empanifo ekokodi enkomo osa be piemu e wa danse so no na wontimi mmongura kuro mu saa keke ichokura na nanu matrankonya ahifie e wo adanse fomra na adanse hene na kasa opija kwatwere bonsre free na oni dwumadie no ho nemu nana kote afram ka woye adonte hene enana wasena dwam edema adanse hene nana de ensem tuja ekese ena ni GP se won so ababe piemu ewo womo akate nemu ade ba kwa sefia akwakoye ade ehawon ewo aha nana no matran kunya na se adanse memu die enkanka fomna na impatamu die womo ewo baabi a womo to aba edeko nemu sefia na independent candidate di ababe piemu ewo ha emu nsam na kwakoye bi so ntimpanifo nhwe na omumfa wom nan ensifom na animanimu ya no omunhwe na de ekoso watimi wakame no mpanifo nhwe na omuntimi enso ano emfa emom na sodue emra fomra.
Okay, pose answer number 2 so no konshira 104.5 na yeyi fomina video na mro sto drew fomina na wo hwe dome di Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi na wo hwe se the crowd ni city even though no mo se rally there but wo hwe nipe di Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi mro storm fomina na otimi se election no eba no enya security nkoma na ye di no inshira 104.5 official Facebook page ko ho na nkoma ye di ni nyina Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fomina bojosango na enu adubia se nyina no pose e bona tofa de man but ko embra udru fomina no videos ne pictures nyina guo na kwakwahwe bi sign na sikoye fomina pa pose man to aso na yenko
Papa, what is asking to JB and was HSA? Ayaresa bia ye district hospital ye abadada ne hyase e wo ho no wo mo ba de wo ma be som to aso de na nka wo timi wie ne ntem de ma wo mo a anka wo mo ani ebeje ho eno na Ghana mampania be de kire de tudwa se nyame adom abusu ne ba be simi obesa ba be pie mu e wo adanse fomra a na oba awapeta meje no hontuma a enche ombewie ombeta hontuma na nipa e wa hanso enya be papa akwako pie mu e wo ayaresa bia kosa wo ho yare papa if free ope ni ko pie mu e wo new adubia ase e adanse south mention so mu so saa dika ko pie mu onananom atrankonwa hemfi mu onananom edi nkomo na iwie ya ni ko pie mu kuru ba ko a ye fre ho eye brekete no so adanse south mention emu so pie mu e wa new adubia ase mention no mu a adwuma ba ko amanfo wo ho eye kese pa e de ka kokko adwuma ho eye emudua enam so ma sese o mako bie factory kese asese ase udua emu no wie a on be so ho kama e de egu eye bottom kama se de ahye bi fie brochire no a edia eda emu na wo mo ye e wo sampata mu ho no edin e de dipa Ghana rice eno eni din a eda eye emu no so eno na Ghana mampania be de chire ehugire pisu so eno wo chire se wo mo eba o mai mu no wo mo yo madwen se on be si factories mako eye one district one factory through mako 232 na 232 no se si emu 76 there wo mo awie ni nyina a eye adwuma a de wo brekete no so e ka ho bi nemu nam Ghana mampani ensa so ene MP a oni we bia se George Odru a wo no koya saye deputy minister dema agriculture enam wo mo saso eno mo de sa emu we na ba beti ekodua no mu e de amom nemu asamba kwa wo kan amafo wo ho nyina ba wo mo num to express NPP fisha 9 pair wo mo abenya wo bedwa so nye ndo 9 no papa no wo mo asi factories mako 76 awie na so NDC de nye fisha mako nwatwe mienu pe ene factories a wo mo tini ye ya amafo wo ho nyina enwa so bia benye fisha 9 pair factories mako 76 a opeso 236 na bobi ban fi nwatwe no ye mienu pe dia ano edin ye pa e wo hono papa ifri go ene sabe pie mu e wo new adubia se kuru ankasa mu eno enam penfo be bo dwadata kese e wo new adubia se lorry park ho eno na ohene a wo new adubia se ogohia odropeni a wotoso bienu nana eno so ehurigina PCO so no e bo Ghana mampania be de kira ba so se obebe pie mu e wo new adubia se na mu ensam ha e wo new adubia se wo se de dikan e wo new adubia se we ha ne ye pass abanda na no stadium biase e wo new edubiase nanso aka ho ama omuntimi emeye ho hwe nti obesere se mpenfo behwe no ma besie e bewie stadium no ama edubiase Man United a e wo kodua no no omuso nya ba bia san se enchai kura na team no ba omo na so betia no e no mo de to nani se ba bi on be ye training krampo akwakwa ebu ate bidin anka omo ko new edubiase senior high school park no so na omo akwakwa ye training nanso school for penny for the atom nim say covid 19 omo ma omo kwan e mo nko park no so school mu ho e ko kwesa nka penny for boa e mo mti be yie bibi sa ma omo a anka omo eni ebeje e wo wie ya no sade tu omo nim say ni bia se corona tre omo hospital wo ho nanso ade ba kwesa ha no si ya say anka omo tim be bo omo si nursing training e wo ni we bia se a anka na ni beje ho ade ba ko kan so a esa koya asefim sem kese pa na nan kan ya arosem wo kire say magistrate court a woni wadubia se omo ni magistrate bia wo ho a wodi asem ye se ni office ka magistrate ba obetana ene bia potin correct kire say ha ye court no ense fata magistrate na fi ho so bi ba bia asem wo ho a ye se bi ofri be kwai ana oboase ana afomena ansa na oba be di asem tempen fo hwe na omuntu sa anamo no so ensa ema wo mo papa ye kokra mu ye wi anye ba be pie mu e wa danse bojesango papa de bi di tudwa yi nyina so hwe nipa dom ana omo abebo dompem no eti twumo me a enye asem ketwa na mra be duru bojesango no eno na wo no so wo eye bojesango wono etene mu no na so de tudwa akire emu se sesi e ide wo be pie mu e wo ye bojesango eye nana edu janfi a wotoso eye miensa a wo ye jase hene nana kire mu se kwan a wo efi bojesango krudie no e de ba be pie mu wo abosam so kwanta ho ne de enyenyenye kodoto Ghana mapeni dada Kufuor Breso and ana washase na omo beduru no na omo tisi mu a aka ho ababesi ne nti wo be stress ankasa kwan no wo bo so be mpre be nan bo sango kwan na ha ne yie pa sanko omo timi wie kwan no e de ma wo mo a anko mo de be je chance mpuntu no de omo nye bi wo ho de na so sa de no nko na kwa e bo eye eno so wo wie ye krakra e no omo ball Dr. Bawumia wa mu si no ohene kase pa e wo ho asisi e dia de man ye Dr. Bawumia e sapon ene ye si no ohene se si ase wono na asisi omo hu se o si a wo yo ohene e no mo dia ma no e wo ho asisi bibia so e ko so nti papa ti se da Dr. Bawumia be pie mu e wo Asante Mantem no adanse mensini makom yensa e no be pie mu a ode nanim nyam so e be pie chiri.
All right, Pozo, mami na wasi Nyankopon kan ho de kwasuna bo adwuma bibia mbetom safre na wo chairman se menka che say ya pass ba chairman eji wo sa no pro monitor ya besra ne kaka na to nka che wa ya to fa ho na wo mse eji de o ga nti bia na Genedia into de have a wonderful day. It's now 104.5 o number 1 akan radio station yesem choni azik Kedno Menyo hitarfe ni Pozo na motene kano bringing the time to exactly 20 minutes after 7. Inshira 104.5 for number 1 Akan radio station. A Monday morning, the 12th day of the month of October, the year 2020. Exactly 56 more days. Nagana yakwakwato, of course, you try 286 days. I got exactly 80 more days. Now, Finina Benaria, Mediane Papa, Nyameke Aquatic Papa the General on this beautiful, wonderful Monday morning. Kremusana no pay Yuguswa, yet the Ebro. But my main call line no son equal Dinkomo. In the report, we know what you say. Of kana medical boss say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ko piemu ewo bracket no de tunga say we piem ewo Ghana ha in Nana Akufo-Addo 4 years of an administration omo to me establish na mugu so mo establish more than 220 or 30 something factories or more about more than 70 there are ready juma. But in NDC time only 2 factories per and omutumi established in 8 years. Mama Ora Joshua Akamba, a national organizer at the National Democratic Congress NDC. Na in common interest. If that's the case, yeah. Open him watch him at the bench there from Kumasi.
Hello, Papa. Good morning. Micha Utifu, you know.
Na pacho bibia boko there.
And I pay the first time I meet you. Na Oyama Ashanti Regional Eshi.
Say yes,
Buka Sakra say. This will be for so good, no. As an old guy.
Just on a Bibia Boko, dear.
Oh, Bibia near Bokosa until firm a change that we expect to see. A change for the better. Change now. Ebema Omani Apa Netumapa Afra. Change now Bema Ashanti Afa Netumapa Afra. Change now Bema Obian Tomu Ewo Ghana. Until such change, you know, a BC or mine, Bibia enye boko.
Okay, but when
opponent draw and a lady or mine, what time, or time, distraction, and a kusua a lady or mine there. There's no way you ever can say change, you know, and Maya will be home, but not to make us say, oh, yeah, Bibia boko, David.
Okay. Okay. But my Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia me ko pie mu bracket na o de sasem no tuja me ba na ya to en common. Abusia Konshira 104.5. Nkomo ye be di ni video esa wo official Facebook page. Official Facebook page. Nshira 104.5 say the one say de ya sumi ye de ye so ye de because ye video no na ye bovo say ye video na account ko Nshira 104.5. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and man no bracket all commission one district one friends rights mill no em no this answer to inti do kai
mo asiti na mo asisa mo say nyame adom to December 7 ba jisa ye vote e man Nana Akufo-Addo any George Ojo because owa body pa if you are forced to say mo nya Eduane Mouton, Eduane Mounyasika, Free SH Soa Bekaho, Mouton, Yamano Mouton, Tama, and Fine Corano, Co School View. Obiye Timmy's Fan and Quara Ako School free, Omonjedi Bia. And tell Sida, Ebin Sida, Wagana, yes, and Nana, the Dankwa, Kufuado, the NPP, Yemreso, Masa, Eva, Omaini. 80, Yemi Maki, but at the quarantine, I had Baha, and one district, one factory. South District, one factory, no. Koso Bibia, there were 232 factories, CCC, ye 76, NDC, Dresso, almost 2 factories in 8 years. If you're watching, factory, no musi, no Ghana. Now, Yendi, less than 4 years, 76 Koso, 232 Bebaso, Obia Benyan factory.
And now,
the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and Raiwa Brekete, and some of the Atuja and Joshua Kamba, in 8 years, Musi only 2 factories per Ghana in less than 4 years. Nana Akufo-Addo and Nkwafo-Assi, 76 factories in operation, and 232 factories are Omuguswa Omuisi.
Minia, I don't know, sir. I don't know whether you still take the Vice President of the Republic under President Akufo-Addo as a serious person now.
Oh, why not?
Okay, maybe. Sure, me maka niyama bibri. Oh, my, President, Vice President Dr. Bawumia. Menu nanka mi yimi tipo enkasa wo man. Emo yantemenka.
Adentia.
Sabi, what people know him about is that, as I say, so Obey is a great and Obey control. And pushing it to the wall. Now I catch us say you and I were not there. Minia, under President Mahama, as the President of the Republic of this country, or contracted loan. Eshase, Adia from Commander Sugar Factory. Kumasi Shoe Factory. A supply shoes. Edema Ghana schools. Apart from school going children now, more sandals for free. Osan Kasa Security Services in Timinya Shoe Factory. Dr. Bawumia, I say, almost 70 something factories. There were 72.
76 is in operation.
76. And in the Bia, a man on mobile. Some will say, I'm one district, one factory. Am I? Is it a solely government funded factories? And what are the natures of those factories? Dr. Bawumia, Eka Somesi. So if I cry in opposition, just recently in Kintampo, President Mahama commissioned a factory it produces cassava starch and an for export. In somewhere around German South, individual companies are almost factories are almost processing cashew. Individual. Ceciano, what are the factories that President Bawumia is talking about? Vice President Bawumia is talking about? Is it people's factories are almost to say be a wire in motor assembling plant almost one district, one factory akobon? Is that what Dr. Bawumia is talking about? Or is the factory that they promised Oko Western region maybe under President Mahama, you see tile factory, but we are not even claiming it. Say you see factories. Factories, you know, if you want to talk about government-sponsored factories, President Mahama, I'm individuals under the reins of President Mahama, you see factories there. then I'm sure that Obama will not even come closer.
Yeah, so Joshua Kamba, what to me about only 2 factories, that is Commander Sugar Factory and Kumasi Shoe Factory. So is that the case? Ampani and Dr. Bawumia can say
you don't get it.
See only 2 factories, Peno.
Listen, I think you don't get it. I'm saying that factories be prepared now under President Mahama individual. I've just mentioned some cashew factory. I've just mentioned some factories that have merged up in Kumasi. I've mentioned those factories. Into the American term, even with all these factories are easy. We are not even complaining. We are not saying, oh, you see factory say, you see factory say, you see factory say. But I'm saying that if it is government support into people putting out factories, then the NDC has done more than Dr. Bawumia can talk about.
So how many factories, if you open some of the individual factories at the car NDC in 80s, how many factories and I'm to me establish during the time?
Unfortunately, our producers friend me. They just called me and said, let's talk about this. And yes, Anka, I would have gone into our records and brought up if that kind of sponsored factories are. Yeah. They're not just, then people will not even come closer. And that's what makes NDC unique, because we don't even think that those individual factories now, support we should make noise about them. So, but that's about me and co promise. They will put up 1 district, 1 factory from the scratch. That's what they said. Not one individual decide that they will do things for you, and then on their business you go and then you put things right, and they say, oh, we are claiming ownership of this factory. And so that is the factories that we are doing. And so for me, I can tell you that if it's this kind of factory, then Dr. Bawumia has failed. And he will keep lying to the country and will keep lying. And so for me, it is neither here or there. Dr. Bawumia will keep being the person that he is and giving his stories. And Ghanaians are there. I said to you now, the factory that he's speaking about, did they start it from scratch? Is this an individual factory? What is the government input in it? As a journalist, are you able to help me?
Are you
able to? Is it an individual factory? Is it a factory that was started in 4 years by Dr. Bawumia and Nana Akufo-Addo? Maybe so.
Joshua Kamba. Maybe so.
That's how I report about who from me. If you report on that, is it a factory started from the scratch by Dr. Bawumia and his MPP? And now it is an individual factory. They went to commission and claiming ownership. If that is that kind of work, but I'm sure that Insurance FM has covered so many of those factories in this country under President Mahama, when he commissioned a lot of them by individuals and what government supported. Instead, for me, believe me, Dr. Bawumia will keep being who he is. Will not tell the truth to Ghanaians. Will lie. Even at the point of holding Quran or chant Quran, we are not saying you and I are not there.
Okay.
And the American say he's in the country by now. Dr. Bawumia should be executed.
Okay, so in conclusion, you think say they can offer the private ones somewhere established during the time, and the government for another chance, more establishing more factory more than the 76 or 232 now. Okay,
then bring you the list.
Okay, fine, no problem. So we'll call you back maybe tomorrow. Get that fact for us. We also cross-check and check facts if indeed say that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Kano is a government factory and a individual factory.
Then it means I will be able to show him more.
All right, no problem. We'll do that for you. Don't worry. Thank you very much, Papa. Joshua Kamba, Nyankopon and Papa. Joshua Kamba, no, a national organizer at the National Democratic Congress (NDC). And I'm watching again. It's live on Ishira 104.5. Of course, go for Pina and Ibiza said, "But Bawumia and Nidino, Edine say the board. Your friend is saying, well, according to Ayebojo Sangwa, Kwamuhine, Nana Akwasi Safo, I don't know yet, Regent, a Sango say Dr. Baumia or see a dear or yo into friend or see a dear yo Baumia Sapon. A dear to see a dear yet they about Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ever Bojo Sango no.
Gonya di or see a dear yo Baumia Sapon the first. Ɔsi adeɛ yɛ ɔno yɛwɔsɛ bia wotumi yɛ
Enti Dr. Baumia na ye friend ntoma wo hwe bi wo Facebook ye friend Dr. Mahmoud ntoma ewo emra na eja ye si no nkoso hene osi ade yo Baumia Sapon the first star ewo Bojo Sango dance Bojo Sango the high shira 104.5 but according to ye reporter na chese no factory no mko bie no ye big Kachre company any government omo collaborate here omo establish sa fence rice mill factory na e be process emo na ja say be perfume rice or whichever but made in Ghana rice ja e banko ade be make you say be pushy be akwa papa crime say ma remfi say mama boy access bank say no payment control says yes more than banking this is open bank na din sa oswa but money say access bank for e be din sa oswa na what say if you how no num ekusi anopa no ndu sa wo ye call bia na sa wo ye money transfer bia e de fi airtel to go de ko airtel to go me see are you free? Yes, you had me right. Me see are you free? Inta how much no num ekusi anopa no ndu de wo ye call bia e de fi airtel to go de ko airtel to go are you free? Inta momodia that's auto sim card for fra in the next 6 months such as say are you free just obey your course why money transfer fa sa airtel to go life is simple. Kremu Sam to mama boy to say Absa Bank Ghana Limited helping find a way to get things done. She said they na jatum say Absa Bank de yaba atanse kra obi jatum say Ghana de and one yoko bebia ye kokonko Absa de we are finding a way to get things done. Don't must take complex. Let me control. Sano paid for more than 20 good years. And a donima, a supply, roofing sheets, halogen steel trousers, and a nail nadwa, papa. Ghana di obiaji donima diatum 20 good years, yes. Uncle Pina to saying, Bra Peter, okay, Bra Peter. Donima, minia, asampana make a chono, Donima se make a chono more available. Long span roofing sheet. That is DSL Premium Locks Panel. Something your DSL Premium IBR sheet. Erotas na for your roofing materials be. Yes, also a long span roofing sheet. It be a tropical premium on your alloy zinc and of a galvanized packet sheet. Your NMK premium on your alloy zinc and of a galvanized packet sheet. When you know different colors are. And the task your PBN no you have your choice. That is Donima for you. At the same time, a free roof design consultation of the estimate service on the free at the Mauka. And the buyer after 6 service cry be a bonus maybe touch ma yes somebody in free the amount yes also my warranty at the first be what on yema na be a berasti e be we nachi and I say bio kana no cry fedi on put the enka ye won kra feeding the entire part of our system, but in case that's a biba, you have warranty. At the same time, Donima, our door garage door, your roller gate system, no bois, say be a few sorry, ne showrooms, ne warehouse, automatic system crack can say be with fear, no be person or temper, a bit to me, our alarm, no, be person temper warehouse, but more called Donima. At the same time, quality nails, Nado Papa, tropical nails brand, and of NMK nails brand, when you know actual size, say be a don't a woman on a demand in the weight and on a demand from between 1 and 6 inches in a pepe when you Donima but more dear so krum han kwana tony man kwadia e de kojo fefe at the same time e bia branch was so bo person bo brania dia e bia tumi no cotems kra so tuka canada ka utu kaka when you Donima steel complex and also from 0244 126 625 0244 126 and 0544 32 1150 0544 32 1150 Donima ewa Safo YF Junction. When you do Ghana Revenue Authority for office ona ehona Donima yewo Donima where quality costs less. Donima at the power fia. Oh ye. Inshira 104.5. Now, MTN semi control. Sisi ya de why a lot of subscriptions be bree. Ye bobo star 111 star then de be bree. Sisi ya subscription ni nano. Ya de baby from MTN content manager. Ni nano sobo star 15 star 175 hasha na wako under this subscription. Oko the subscription, you follow the prompt and one say all your subscription is under one roof. You find the MTN content manager. It's as simple as ABCD. Or subscription ya can bomwa and once you follow prompt and say be a winner pay service winner up and once and once wako simple as ABCD into star 175 hash. Na follow prompt no na MTN content manager mwa na nyafa no be baby na influence for mouth. Digital bank is a part of our system. Yes, digital. Ninya na Fidelity Bank. So when your partner, say be no pay utu kwan ko brochire, utu kwan ko bi person your money transaction bi, person check mini balance, and person check account balance na dey person your money transfer ya. Wow, Fidelity Bank say me control. You need that partner in your life. See bank na be so much convenient. Yes, and you say be afi na wo frɛ, in fact you do bank and check my accounts man. No. Your term was our system. Digital banking is now the real deal. And Fidelity Bank semi control. Sabamodia, obetumi afaye online banking nibi. Yesanwo Visa card unya kojibi. Your Mastercard, your prepaid cards awudo nyina o. Yesanso Fidelity mobile app. Ono na so download di e phone so ono be mo akonya amoti mo check account balance. What top up airtime. Now, when your mini statement up to your boss or your money transfer, wow, when you know, and your Fidelity Bank back one is here, Ghana Yamasana Jatum, Fidelity Bank. That is the bank that I'm talking about. But what now no means also near more papa. Fidelity, you and Fidelity together, we are more. Fidelity Bank, believe. With us, it's now 104.5, 19 more minutes to 8. Abusuma menjen kratoka kaname ba. Iba kwa swase na report if you are banning na say asawase nyina nim say one of the identified flashpoint security for start at me identify in 2020 election. Now a group here you're from the Great Warriors. Say that better say emra ye chocho di ne semi cause asawase. Now they are sounding a caution and warning at their mass uncophobia. In 2020 election, someone share security one share. Not saying they will not sit down and transit Emma Saniman and Koso. They will also retaliate. Abusia, is that where you want to go? This morning we will talk in any security for the community area. A woman never fast was had to me as a point. Dumping a member of parliament, honorable Mekuduka and Abusia. You see, I'm say, yes, ye be a sema, se chieftains is a political. I'm just say a pre-pranko funibina. In fact, what's your pictures now, Rebel? What's your pictures now? What the mammy common but tell me you now getting to just 2 months to election. Now we shall see a QMP cross up in chair. Now political violence is a chieftains dispute room now acquiring symbol such as a Ghana. Security. Say na ye kwana no pibenya bo chedi nkomo ibekọ eyemfante man na ehọ na sisi abetodwa say no member parliament you free Friday twam ya akwanya da hɔ a ibetumi ayi nipa foforo na si nanem ewo mfante man na ni nyina kokopie mu say executive from MPP executives say omo hwɛ within the 10 days electoral commission da mo no ombenya obi amanda be si na mama omo a but they are calling for the perpetrators na Akufo-Addo e dey to just say the security must fish out where these perpetrators are na emman no mumni abusi benya botia di nkomo enitema former president John Dramani Mahama e dey betu just emraso say o se tumi bo members of parliament e ho ban na ye hwe do they need security and as every citizens has that equal rights so no ho bambo ehia we ye memu na ye body akanyina no ye be di nkomo 104.5